Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to prevent rodents and pests from damaging stored trailers. Mice, rats, and other pests can do real harm to trailers left in storage. Chewed wires, shredded insulation, and nests can lead to expensive repairs, sometimes without you even knowing there's a problem until it's too late. If you own a trailer or run a storage facility, skipping regular checks or ignoring small signs of pest activity could cost you. Protecting trailers before rodents and bugs move in keeps your property safe and saves money. Simple steps today block damage down the road. This guide covers what attracts pests, what signs to look for, and the most effective ways to keep them out for good. Whether you store one trailer or manage a full lot, these tips help you keep pests away. No special gear or expert skills needed. Understanding why rodents and pests target stored trailers. Rodents and pests don't just wander into trailers by accident. These unwanted guests are looking for the basics: food, shelter, and a safe place to hide. Trailers, especially those left closed up and still for weeks or months, can look like a five-star hotel to a mouse or bug. Understanding what brings them in and how they get inside helps you stay one step ahead. Common entry points and attractants. Trailers offer lots of ways in. Small cracks, torn seals, or a gap around a cable can be an open door to mice, rats, and insects. They only need a hole the size of a pencil to slip inside. Some trailers have vents or floor drains that pests use as secret tunnels. Even closed doors won't stop a determined rodent if the weather stripping isn't tight. But it's not just about entry points, attractants are everywhere. Here's what draws pests into stored trailers. Food residue. Even a few crumbs or a splash of syrup can pull in rodents and bugs. Leftover pet food, spilled drinks, or snack wrappers are like a dinner invitation. Warmth and shelter. Trailers stay warmer than the outdoors, especially in cold weather. The insulation and tight spaces attract pests that don't want to be outside in the wind and rain. Soft nesting materials. Cushions, insulation, or old towels make great nests. Rodents shred what they find and create cozy nests hidden behind walls or under seats. Moisture. Leaky roofs, windows, or hidden puddles create damp spots that attract bugs, ants, and even mice. Water is life for pests. To many rodents and insects, a quiet, dark trailer is the perfect home. Sealing up every gap and keeping things clean sends a clear, no vacancy, sign. Consequences of infestations. Rodents and pests don't just hitch a ride when they sneak in. They cause real trouble that can cost you time, money, and peace of mind. When pests settle into a trailer, here's what can happen. Wire damage. Rodents chew on electrical wires and cables. This can wreck your power systems or even cause fires. Ruined insulation and upholstery. Mice tear up insulation for nests. Bugs hide in cushions and mattresses. Repairing or replacing these materials gets expensive fast. Unpleasant odors. Droppings, urine, and dead insects leave bad smells that are tough to get rid of. Health risks. Rodent droppings and insect nests can carry germs. Some pests like ticks and fleas can hitch a ride on pets or people, causing even more problems. Water leaks. Pests sometimes chew through pipes or hoses, causing slow leaks that start rot and mold. Dealing with an infestation means more than setting a few traps. Left unchecked, even a small pest problem can snowball into big repair bills and frustrating cleanup. Taking away their reasons to visit is always easier and cheaper than fixing the damage later. Pre-storage preparation. Making trailers pest-resistant. Before parking your trailer in storage, a little work goes a long way toward pest-proofing. Don't give rodents or bugs any reason to stick around. Indoor versus outdoor storage. Pros and cons. You're likely choosing between indoor and outdoor storage. Each option has upsides and downsides for pest prevention. Indoor storage. Better protection from wildlife. 4 solid walls keep out most animals. Mice and bugs have a harder time reaching your trailer in the first place. Stable environment. Indoor spaces shield your trailer from rain and weather. Less moisture means fewer bugs and mold. Cleaner surroundings. Warehouses and garages usually have less trash, weeds, or clutter to attract pests. But there are things to watch. Shared spaces. Rodents or insects in one unit can move next door. Check that the building isn't battling pest problems. Less airflow. Stuffy places stay damp if leaks show up. Outdoor storage. More space. Easier for big trailers or RVs. Often cheaper. You're not paying for a roof. But outdoor storage brings more risk. Wildlife access. Mice, ants, raccoons, and other animals have free run. Tall grass and bushes draw them in. Weather exposure. Rain means puddles and leaks. Fallen leaves or mulch close to tires or undercarriage draw nesting bugs. Trash and debris. Food wrappers, litter, or empty containers near the lot can attract pests to the whole area. Before picking, think about your budget, trailer size, and how often you'll check on your trailer. That's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into more detailed solutions and maintenance tips to protect your trailers from pests. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.